today's video, we are going to work in this cabinet and take it from this to this. Hello friends, today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny tidy Tuesday. In today's tiny tidy, I am going to clean out a cabinet in my kitchen. This cabinet is located above the sink and it really does not have a ton in it, but we're going to take everything out, see if there's anything to declutter, and put everything back in. I do have a basket for this closet. I do have a basket that I picked up at Target that I think I'm going to use in this cabinet to store my cloth napkins. So I will be adding this into the cabinet. As always, tiny tidies are put together by my dear sweet friend Sunday Dawn here on YouTube. Her channel name is The Helpful Home. I will link her channel along with all of my other friends who participate in Tiny Tidy Tuesday in my description box below. So let's get busy on the cabinet.
Every step forward is another add-on. Through every break and fall, we need to stay strong. And as time goes by, we get settled in our ways. No matter how hard we try, the feeling stays. You get right.
So quickly, I just want to go over the items that I pulled out of this cabinet. This cabinet honestly just kind of ended up with the stuff that I was not sure where to put it because this was an added cabinet. So I did not have a lot of rhyme or reason as to what I put in this cabinet. And as I go through my other ones, I may end up changing a few things around. But I do want to show you what I did take out. This is a glass piece, and this bowl was actually passed down. This bowl was actually, sorry, Lily's drinking water, sorry. This bowl was actually passed down to my husband and I from his grandmother. So I do want to hold on to this, and I will store it up there because we do not use it. So I can put it up high. And sorry, Lily's drinking water as I'm doing this. This is a piece of pottery that we got when we got married. And I like it. It's not 100% my taste, but I still hold on to it. Just maybe I shouldn't, but maybe I should not hold on to it, but I'm not ready to let it go yet. So I think I'm just going to put it back up there. Again, not something I ever pull out. So it's fine to go up high. And I think I have a sand dollar from the beach in here. And then I just have a little card that tells me where the pottery was made. It's very pretty though. I like the detail. And then I have this piece of pottery again that we got as a wedding gift that I do like and I want to hold on to. Also, when we were doing the renovations, we did buy paper plates and paper bowls. And I thought, why not hold on to those in case we ever are eating outside or doing something like that where we might want to use these. So I am gonna store these like I had them before on this little shelf, this little tiered tray. So I'm going to put the plates and the bowls on this. I have one vase. This is it. Sorry, now Lily's eating. I tend to declutter vases a lot, but I would like to collect a little bit more than the one, but I do have the one in case I have any fresh flowers. have these two bowls, and they are bowls that I used to pull out at Valentine's Day. Normally I give myself a couple of years, and if I did not miss them and did not use them, then I will go ahead and declutter them. And I have not used these in probably 3 seasons, and I do not even know what I would use them for. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter these. So I'm going to take these out of the cabinet. The rest of the stuff will be going back in, but like I said, when I am going through the other cabinets, I might find some stuff and want to tweak it just a little bit, but for now, this is all staying in there.
Through my shield, like raindrops on the field, you pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strains. We push on through the rain. I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again. Throw it all at me. Spark kid, the golden child. We both know who is right.
Okay, so this is the after. I have this that we were passed down up here on the top shelf, along with this piece of pottery. I have this piece of pottery, and I have my basket of cloth and napkins, which I'm actually starting to use these a lot more for our dinners. It just is more convenient. You can throw it in the washing machine and the dryer. So I might even end up moving that down a shelf if I continue to use those more and more. And then here I have paper plates and bowls, and then I have my one little lonely vase right here that might get a friend soon. Nice and simple, but very organized. I just want to thank you guys so much for spending part of your day with me today. I do have these 2 little heart-shaped bowls to declutter, so I'm going to put this with my monthly declutter stuff, so you will probably see these again at the end of the month. I would like to remind you guys that in my description box I do have Sunday Dawn, The Helpful Home, her channel linked in my description box below, along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist, where you can find lots of tiny tidying motivation. I know this cabinet was extremely simple, but simple is good. Sometimes we need things that take us just a few minutes, and then we kind of build momentum, and we can do then we kind of build momentum, and then we can do the harder things later. And there are a couple of items in that cabinet that I am holding on to, but I think I am getting close to letting them go. So maybe next time I will do that. But again, remember to check out today's Tiny Tidy playlist, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.
Through the screaming and the wild, through all the tears and all the pain.